With Mingo 09, yo, he's born again. Come on, do you wanna come rock with us? Yeah, do you wanna come rock with us? Rock with. Do you wanna come rock with us? Come on, do you wanna come rock with us? Rock with us. Do you wanna come rock with us? Ha. Do you wanna come rock with us? Rock with. Do you wanna come rock with us? Come on, do you wanna come rock with us? Rock with us. Yeah, I see C-Love in the building, y'all. Yeah, do you wanna run with us? Check it out, check it out, check it out. Yo, if you really wanna run with me, lace up your size 14 sneakers and come with me. I'll take you on a journey, it hasn't all been worthy. You heard me, the worldly can't serve me. I ride beats like Paul Revere, on a horse still calm and fear. To my peers in the city, drinking beers with a biddy, feeling stressed out like Margaret. What a pity, but the nitty is anytime you wanna run with me, you better keep up. I'm running with the Lord, it's hard, so don't sleep up. People try civil rights, affirmative action, Jerry Curl and a perm like Jackson. Had to try the God who was nailed to the cross, so that your sins and bad ways people fail could be tossed. And stabbed him on both sides and stretched his arms, bleeding to death, till the bleed in his chest was gone. But he rose with all power that's still today. He's the answer for all the men that wanna kill today. The devil is busy filling people with hatred, anything sacred he wanna see wasted, and he'll use anybody to do the work. Family members against each other, it bruises, it hurts. A lot of churches money driven, a lot of pastors money living, private sex, little boys and funny women. It's a given that Christ wouldn't do that, flashing his jewels, rings, shoes. True that people play with the gospel. It's like trying to breathe when someone's holding your mouth with your nostrils. You can't, it's impossible, just stop. Like your style of hip-hop, dog, is whack, so just pop. The knowledge I gain is take me to another plateau, but it's holding me down, so now they call me fatso. It's time to burn these calories. The accumulation is greater than the weight of all of y'all salaries. Tsunami, mudslides, hurricane blowing around. Some didn't believe in God, I bet they knowing him now. They were calling on him, which is what he wants to call on him. Not only when your life is hard to call on him, cause he deserves respect. He's the only one that truly protects your neck. That's why I gotta give praise every day that I wake up. I'ma need him to cover up my sins like makeup. No one is perfect, every man has issues. No one should diss you, it's an issue that when you're dead, then they'll miss you. Alive you sneeze, they say God bless you, never offer tissue. And it hurts me to see dudes pouring liquor out for they homie, but when he was alive he was thirsty. I seen worse days, like 16 out of 20 black males living in a hearse days. Those stats are crazy for real, huh? That's why so many cats are chasing record deals. The public school system failing them and sailing them out. Baby mama bailing them out. This is my tailing them out. Yeah. So if you wanna run with me,